Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the top 10 superfoods that will help boost your immunity and keep you healthy. So, let's get started. Number 1. Citrus fruits. These vibrant fruits like oranges and lemons are packed with vitamin C, which helps enhance your immunity. Number 2. Ginger. This powerful root contains bioactive compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, providing a natural boost to your immune system. Number 3. Spinach. Rich in vitamin C, E, and beta-carotene, spinach is a fantastic immune-boosting leafy green that you can easily incorporate into your meals. Number 4. Yogurt. Packed with probiotics, yogurt helps promote the growth of good bacteria in your gut, which is vital for a strong immune system. Number 5. Almonds. These nutrient-dense nuts are high in vitamin E, which plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system. Number 6. Turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting effects. Number 7. Green tea. Loaded with polyphenols and antioxidants, green tea helps strengthen your immune system and protects against various infections. Number 8. Berries. Bursting with antioxidants, berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries offer a delicious way to amp up your immunity. Number 9. Garlic. Known for its immune-boosting properties, garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate immune cells and help fight off infections. Number 10. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants, such as flavonoids, which help support a healthy immune system. By incorporating these 10 superfoods into your diet, you can give your immune system the support it needs to keep you healthy and strong. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. Stay healthy, stay strong.